Hey, what's poppin', everybody? So today I have another early look of a sneaker.
Yep.
Shout out to my people at JD Sport, but I really wanted to show you guys this one because, hey, y'all like these Air Max 95s, but before we go off this content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. Without further ado, hey, let's take an early look of this Air Max 95. Let's go.
We say no synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack on the brew. For OGs in the U, you can kick it with us too. Technology.
All right, so as you guys can see right here, we do have the Air Max box, and you got the vintage OG box right here. This is going to be a size 12 in women, 10.5 in men, women, Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble, pink. So y'all already know the vibes when it comes to what it is, bro. We're gonna open this thing up. And they are going to be dropping these at the end of March. JD Sports and everybody's going to be having them. I'm pretty sure it might be exclusive access and all that stuff. But yeah, man, we got the Air Max 95 Big Bubble pink foam things, bro. They did drop these things in 2025, but we didn't get many. It wasn't that many pairs. And I know my JD Sports didn't get extended sizes, but now they do have extended sizes. So y'all let me know what y'all think, thoughts and opinions are about these things. I do like these better than the neons. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. And I know what y'all gonna say, oh, it's an OG colorway, how can you do that? But I do. We got the pink Nike suits right here. All of the air units are going to be that pink foam colorway. Everywhere it's gonna be the neon, it's gonna be that pink foam, you know what I'm saying? Super clean shoe. Y'all see the inside of the shoe is gonna be the exact same thing. On the bottom, we have that vintage Air Max 95, but it's gonna be in pink. We got the same thing gonna be on this side. On this one is the right one as well, as you guys can see. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions, how y'all feel about these. Is this something that y'all feel like y'all gotta add? Where does this stand and rank as far as Air Max 95s go? But that's all I got for y'all. Again, good luck. Make sure you guys are paying attention to the JD Sports app. Like I said, you should be able to get this sneaker without a problem via JD Sports, because this one is going to be a bigger release, very wider release than what it was in 2025, man. But we got the pink foam Air Max 95s, man. I appreciate y'all for tapping in as always. Y'all know what I'm saying, man. Rock respect, that was hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these 95s, just bait. Let me share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack